Oh, hey there, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. Hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. Oh, we're here at Parlor Doughnuts in Pawleys Island, South Carolina. And we have an awesome job to do today. It's gonna be great. Check this out. Oh, they make some really cool stuff here. Look at these amazing donuts. Oh, ooh, that's even got strawberries on it. Oh, do you know they even got doggy donuts here? Oh, this is gonna be great. Come on, let's go get started. Oh, hey, my friends. Hi. How are y'all? Good. Are y'all ready for some donuts? Yeah. Oh, I've been here working all day today. All right, so let's see what you guys want. What would you like?
Can I please have a donut? I want a blueberry.
Oh, blueberry donuts. Those are great. Oh, all right, Stacey, what do you like?
Chocolate.
Oh, you know Handyman Hal does love chocolate. All right, Ava, what do you want?
S'mores.
Oh, you want some s'mores? Oh, that's great. Oh, Miss Marla, what would you like?
I would like a strawberry shortcake.
Oh, strawberry shortcake. Strawberries are awesome, right? All right, well, I'm gonna go make these especially for you guys, okay? All right, I'll be right back. You excited?
Yeah!
Okay, cool. Oh, now, my friends, we get to learn about making the donuts. And look, these are the donuts before they actually get cooked. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Come here. I want you to meet someone. This is my friend Peyton. How are you, Peyton?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing awesome. And so what's your job here at Parlor Doughnuts?
I'm a doughboy.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Well, what does a doughboy do?
Well, I fry the donuts.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Well, how many donuts would you say that you fried?
Maybe 1 million.
Wow, that's a lot of donuts. Oh, and out of those, the big question, out of those, how many do you think you've eaten?
Maybe half.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of donuts. Oh, okay, so now you're gonna show us exactly what to do and how we cook these donuts, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see it.
All right. So first, we're gonna grab our dropper here.
Oh, sweet.
We're gonna bring it over here and grab our donuts, get it in a nice spot on the rack, and we're gonna drop it in the grease. We're gonna let those sit for about 3 minutes.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. Oh, wow, listen, you can hear them frying. It's like they're sizzling. That sounds really cool. Those are what you call layered donuts. Oh, don't they look good? So what are you doing there?
Well, I'm flipping the donuts.
Oh, yeah, they look amazing. Well, what are you using? What are those?
These are my wands.
Oh, a wand. And why do you call them a wand?
Because they flip the donuts like magic.
Oh, that's great. And they did a great job.
Yeah. Now we're gonna drop the submerger on to help get rid of this little white ring here.
Oh, that's amazing. They are looking really good. I can't wait to try one.
We're gonna let them sit for another 3 minutes.
All right, so now what we gotta do?
Well, we're gonna take them out of the fryer and we're gonna set them over here to cool.
Oh, wow. Look at those donuts. Oh, they look amazing, don't they? I can't wait to put toppings on them. Oh, my friends, here at Parlor Doughnuts, they have a really cool drive-thru. Look. Oh, I even got my drive-thru headset on. Oh, yeah, so I can talk to them out there. I think there's someone out there now. Parlor Doughnuts, what can we get you today? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we have some of those. Oh, and we have some of those too. Okay, great. Well, come on around. Well, let's get their order ready. Come on. Look, check out what they ordered. Oh, we've got some doggy donuts. Oh, with sprinkles. Oh, yep. And we've got some homemade doggy treats. Check this out. Oh, those look really good. Oh, look, here they are now. Oh, hey there, my friends. Oh, how are y'all? Would you like your treats today? Oh, yeah. We got the specials for you. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh, there's one for you. Oh, yeah. You like that one? Oh, and you want a doggy donut, don't you? Oh, way back there. Oh, there it is. Y'all got to share now. Oh, here we go. Are we going to pass it to the back? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's got it now. All right, I got one more. We've got one more. Are you ready? I'll break it in half so we can share. Sound good? Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah, they love it. All right, one more. All right, here we go. You ready? You get one way back there. Here we go. You gonna take it? Now, oh, there you go. Oh, you got it. And I got one more piece. Here we go. Ah, there we go. Oh, that was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed your treats today. All right? Were they good? Looks like they were good. Well, y'all have a good day. Bye, guys. See you later. Awesome job. This is great. Look, we just got them out of the fryer. Don't they look great? I can eat them now, but here comes the really, really cool part. We get to glaze them. Look, with all these cool glazes and these toppings that make them really cool and fun. Oh, and delicious. Okay, so the first step is we got to put them in a sugar bath. Oh, I'm cool with this. Watch, watch, watch. We put them in here and we just twist them in the sugar. Oh, wow. That's amazing. All right, so we're going to set these to the side. Oh, we got 2 more to do. Here we go. Into the sugar bath. Oh, man, I wish I was a donut. I could have a sugar bath for sure. Okay, so now, oh, somebody ordered a blueberry one. So let's do that one first. Oh, check it out. We've got some blueberry glaze right there. We're gonna take it, we're gonna drop it in there, just like that. Oh, we got it, there we go. Oh, check it out. Oh, that looks great. Oh, and now, a little bit of powdered sugar on the top. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks amazing. Now, we've got our blueberry. What's next? Oh, somebody ordered a strawberry shortcake. All right, let's do that one. Oh, got some strawberry glaze right here. Watch this. Here we go. Drop it in there. Oh, that looks amazing. All right, there we go. Now, of course, you cannot have a strawberry shortcake without strawberries. Look at them. Oh, we got 2 fresh strawberries there. It looks amazing. Oh, now, check this out. We've got some whipped topping here. Look at it. Just a little squeeze on the top there. Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, that's so great. All right, let's see. Oh, get some graham cracker. Here we go. Watch this. All around the side there. Nice and easy. Doesn't that look awesome? Don't it? Oh, yep. Now, let's see. What else did somebody order? Oh, a double chocolate. Handyman Hal loves chocolate. Okay, so let's see what's come all the way down here. Check out this chocolate sauce. It looks amazing. So we're going to dip it in there just like that. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? Okay, now let's bring this over here. Sit that down. Let's see what goes on it. Oh, check this out. We've got some little chocolate toppings that go on the top. Oh, that looks so delicious. And now, oh, some chocolate syrup. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Watch, watch, watch. Oh, that looks awesome. Oh, isn't that some amazing chocolate drizzle there? Oh, yeah. All right, now, the next one, I think I really like. This one is called a campfire. Oh, we gotta slide down here. Oh, yep, right here. Let's see. We're gonna start off with some chocolate glaze. Oh, yeah, right there. Just like that. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Oh, we got that. Now, of course, you can't have a campfire without a marshmallow. We've got one right here. Look, we're gonna sit it on the top. Oh, and now, the reason why they call it a campfire is because you get to use some fire. And of course, always make sure there is an adult around. You don't want to get burnt when using something like this. Oh, so maybe it's like a blowtorch. Oh, so let's turn it on. Oh, here we go. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Can you hear that? Oh, it's really, really hot. Now we get to melt our marshmallow. Here we go, watch. Oh, wow. Check that out. Just a little bit of graham cracker to go around the outside. Oh, man. Oh, it smells like a s'more. That's great. Now, we've got them all finished. And don't they look delicious? I can't wait for my friends to try them. Come on, let's go take them to them. Let's go. Oh, hey, my friends, look. I got you some donuts. All right, here. Oh, there you go. There we go. There's that one. Oh, you wanted the strawberry shortcake, right? Yep. Oh, and the chocolate. Look at that one. Hey, look. It's a s'mores. It's even got a marshmallow on the top of it. Doesn't it look good? Oh, here, let me go get me one, and we'll eat one together, okay?
Yeah! And guys,
Oh, look at mine. Oh, those look kind of cool, right? Oh, how is it? Does it taste good? Oh, I'm gonna try this one right here. This one's called a French toast. Do you like French toast? Oh, yeah.
My face is covered in chocolate.
Yeah. Ooh. You got marshmallow on your face. That's really, really good. Oh, you got it all over your chin now. Perfect. How's that blueberry?
Good.
How's them strawberries?
Good.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna take another bite, okay? This is great.
I eat French toast every day.
Really?
Yeah.
You want one too? Oh, you need one because you got it all over your mouth. Oh, you look a little clean. You look good. There we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, did you eat that? Did you eat that strawberry? How was the strawberry? Oh, so y'all know that I was in the back and I made all of these especially for you.
Yeah.
I dipped them in the chocolate. And did you know your marshmallow? I toasted it with a fire torch. Oh yeah, I had a fire torch and I toasted that marshmallow for you. Does it taste good? Oh yeah, yep. And we had to cut up those strawberries and I squeezed the whipped cream on there. Is it good? Stick your finger in it and taste it. Tell me if it's really, really good. Oh, is it good? That's amazing. Oh yeah. It's all over your face.
Oh. This is the best donut
It's an amazing donut ever, right? We've had such an amazing day today here at Parlor Doughnuts in Pawleys Island, South Carolina. Learning about donuts, how they're made, and glazing them and putting all these really cool toppings on them. We even got to work the drive-thru. And I had all my doggy friends come through. It was great. Well, thanks for watching today. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
We're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome's what we do, 'cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome.
How's a handyman? A handyman's got a plan. How's a handyman? If he can fix it, no one can. Hal has tools today. Gonna repair it right away. Hal, he's our pal. Come and play with Handyman Hal.
Handyman Hal is your most trusted handyman for all your repair needs. Need an amazing lemonade stand? How about help with learning shapes and colors? Trouble fueling your airplane? Handyman Hal can do it all. No job is too big or small for Handyman Hal. Whether your car wash needs repair or you need to get rid of some expired groceries, you can count on Handyman Hal. Give him a call today. The handyman that's got a plan. Handyman Hal. Handyman Hal is a fun kids show, and we want to say thanks for watching.